In the sphere of air conditioning installation firms, straight shooter heating and cooling is unparalleled. This article will provide you with an understanding of the services provided by straight shooter heating and cooling, the significance of collaborating with professionals, and the procedures required to install an air conditioning system. The efficacy, efficiency, and safety of air conditioning systems are substantially impacted by their installation. Improper installation may lead to increased energy costs, shorter lifespans, and more frequent, expensive repairs due to the reduced efficacy. Inadequate ventilation or refrigerant leakage may result from improper installation, which could pose substantial safety hazards. Can you help me with indoor air quality issues? Yes, we specialize in improving indoor air quality, IAQ, to ensure a healthier and more comfortable living environment. Do you offer financing options for HVAC systems? Yes, we offer flexible financing options to help make your HVAC system installation or major repair more affordable. How often should I have my HVAC system serviced? It's recommended to have your HVAC system serviced at least once a year to ensure it's running efficiently. What are the areas near that Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling provides services? Our Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling serve the following locations: San Diego, CA, Mission Valley, CA, North Park, CA, Oak Park, CA, National City, CA, Coronado, CA, Claremont, CA, Escondido, CA, Oceanside, CA, Carlsbad, CA, Vista, CA, San Marcos, CA, Encinitas, CA, Poway, CA, Fallbrook, CA. Where is the Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling located? We are located at 4730 Palm Avenue, Suite 207B, La Mesa, California 91941, United States. Our phone number is 619-848-5353. Visit our website, https://www.bestsandiegofats.com/La Mesa AC Installation Repair.